It's almost 5. You ready to watch Dhar, Man?
Mom, I'm playing my favorite fantasy role-playing game, Honkai Star Rail. It's out on the PS5 now.
And you can keep playing when the episode's done. Right now, it's time to watch Dhar, Man.
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
I can see you're still playing. You can play Honkai Star Rail later.
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
Hey boys, how was your day?
Son?
But Mom, Honkai Star Rail just released version 1.5 with dope new characters like Argency with the classy armor and cool spear, and Hoa, who restores her allies' health.
Buddy, you've been playing this game for over a week.
I can explain. You see, I had to keep
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
playing. When you log in for 7 days, you get 10 free Star Rail special passes, which you can use to pull these sick new characters, which are only available for a limited time. So you see, I had to keep playing Honkai
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
Star Rail because of all these lovely characters.
I get that you love the game, but right now, it's time to watch Dhar, Man.
All good. Honkai Star Rail allows infinite pauses, so I can just resume whenever the episode's done.
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
It's great, but for the next 20 minutes, can we just not hear the words Honkai Star Rail?
Hey Dhar Man fam, download Honkai Star Rail using the redemption code in the description to unlock new characters, plus get 50 Stellar Jade.
Let's just play Honkai Star Rail.
Hey boys, how was your day?
Sweet.
Oh, you! How I missed you, my sweet baby. I'm gonna get on with Noah.
Well, hello to you too.
Come on.
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
My day? Oh, my day.
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
It was great. Thanks for asking, Jay.
Pass it to me, bro. Hey, watch out! No!
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
No! What are you doing? I can't see what's passing. Stop!
It seems to be the only way I can get a proper hello from my own son when he comes home from school.
Move, Mom, there's no time. Okay, Mikey and I promised Derek and Noah that we played 2K with them the second they got home, so please move.
Oh, so it has to be a literal second you get home.
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
Hey, I'm the man of my word.
Oh, okay. Well, it's funny that you should say that because if I can remember correctly, you promised me to help out with the holiday decorations when you got home.
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
Mr. Man of your word.
Decorating.
Can you
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
just
I'll stay out of this.
yeah.
Look, just please, let me get this dub, then I promise, okay? I will help you.
Jay, I have stuff to do too. Okay? This is the only time I have.
Then can't you just do it by yourself?
Díaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
All right, come on. Nah. All right, whatever. Pass it to me. I'm open. Hey.
Wait.
Bro, come on,
Don't worry, guys. I got it.
Liaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
I wasn't even
Wait, how
worried.
did he do that?
Were you?
Mom, I forgot my keys at the gym. What's up, broski?
Move up! Stop walking past the TV.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
I thought you and Jay were putting up all the decorations today.
So did I. But Jay had other plans.
Take that shot, bro. Take that shot. See, you.
It's fine. Clearly, the game is more important to him.
And honoring his word isn't, huh? Come on, Mom. I'll help you.
Oh, you made it! Oh, no! Oh, hold on.
Jay, where are you going?
Oh, yeah. I forgot to ask you. Can I go over to Mikey's place to watch the Avengers?
You said you were gonna help make cookies with me today. I went to the store and everything.
Liaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
Ew. I hate sprinkles.
Since when? Well, if you spent more time with me, then maybe I know that.
Oh, snap. Mike is about to start the movie. Can I please go? Look, I promise. I'll help you make the cookies later.
No, I have to work at the hospital tonight. Tonight. These cookies are for my patients.
I mean, technically, you don't need my help.
I mean, yeah, I don't need your help.
Hey, great. Thanks for understanding. Love you. Peace out. Bye.
Jay, I'll make the cookies, but I will absolutely need your help with wrapping all of these gifts. Now, I need them wrapped and ready to go before I leave by 6.
For sure. I mean, that's plenty of time. I'll be back around 4. Nah, 5 latest.
You better not be.
Liaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatatata.
Late.
Whoa. There's a lot going on in here.
Did you or did you not promise me that you would be back no later than 5 to help me?
Oh, yeah, about that. See, I thought Mikey just rented Endgame, but it turns out it was also Infinity War. Hey, I mean, do you have any idea how long those movies are? I didn't, but now I do. Hey, come on. Don't be mad. I'm only a little... Lotta late. Well, hey, the good news is, it looks like you got everything done all by yourself. See? You're a strong, independent woman who doesn't need anyone else. Great job, Mom.
It's not about needing help, Jay. It's about keeping your promises. Showing up matters, you know?
Liaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
No, sir.
When you do things together, it just makes it so much more special. The cookies even taste better. Ooh. Jay. Jay.
I don't know. These cookies? Fine. I definitely couldn't do any better. Hey, I'm gonna use the restroom. Let me know when dinner's ready.
You can't just leave. We're not done talking.
You want me to pee in my pants? Yeah. Move!
Okay, what's his excuse this time?
He lost track of time. Imagine how he'd feel if I didn't keep my promises. Or didn't show up to some of his stuff, like basketball.
Yeah, he'd be hurt for sure. You know what?
What?
Maybe it's time to give him another piece of his own medicine.
Well, I've been trying to give him more freedom now that he's a teenager. I don't want to be too hard on him.
Mm-hmm. I see.
But I will be hard on you. Those are for my patients.
Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada bop. Boom. Pow.
No, I gotta go. Please, can you help me get everything together and put it in the car?
Sure, Mom. This cookie.
Put it down. There's plenty more cookies. And I left you a little gift right over there, Miss Gretchen. Is there anything else I can do for you to make you comfortable?
You're an angel. Thank you. Oh, actually, could I use your phone for a second?
Sure. Is everything all right?
Culiaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
My son, Benny, he promised to call me before I go into surgery. He hasn't called yet. I wanted to make sure my phone was working.
I'm sorry, Miss Gretchen. I'm sure he'll call soon.
I don't know. My son always breaks his promises. My husband used to say I was too easy on him growing up. I should have been harder.
Loco, conche tu madre, hasta cuando vaya a hacer algo.
Hey, time to rise and shine.
I'm good.
And get excited because I'm making your favorite chocolate chip pancake.
Coming! Hey, let me get changed real quick.
Culiaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
Hey, some chocolate chip pancakes. Man, I just love the smell of those chocolate chip. Wait, I don't smell anything. Mom, where's the pancakes at?
Oh, oops, I did say I was gonna make pancakes, didn't I? I'm sorry about that. Hey, here's a bran muffin. Have a good day.
Wait, aren't you dropping me off?
Oh, no, sorry. I decided to take a hot yoga class.
Culiaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
So, just catch the bus.
The bus?
Yes, but listen, don't worry. I'll come and pick you up after basketball practice at 4:30.
Don't you walk out that door. Mom, Mom.
I promise.
Hi, yoga class.
Yo, did you see the way I stole that ball and then faded? They did not stand a chance against me.
Bro, you're really taking all the credit? That was literally the only shot you scored all game. On the other hand,
Your boy right here got 16 points. I would have scored more if you weren't such a ball hog.
really? Nah. Don't put the blame on me. Look, we took the same amount of shots. It's not my fault you had so many bricks you could build a 3-story house, buddy.
Oh, JJ. I was just thinking. taking it easy because it was our first game against Encino.
A whole lot of yapping, I hear.
My mom's here. You want a ride?
No, I'm good.
Culiaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki.
My mom's coming to pick me up. Hey, I'll hit you on Discord later.
Alright. See you?
Alright, peace out,
Yes,
my boy.
sir.
Woo. Yo, 3 seconds left on the clock. Book size down by 2. Oh, they passed the rock to Mission Mikey. Oh, he shoots. And he scores. Oh, the crowd goes wild. Mikey, Mikey, Mikey.
In your dreams. Mikey. Hey, Ma. Yeah. Okay. It's 4:30. Yo. All right. Let me just.
Hey.
Yo. Mom, where are you? Wait. Are you at the nail salon?
Oh, yeah. My paint was chipping again. What's up?
What do you mean? What's up? You were supposed to pick me up 20 minutes ago.
It's 4:30 already? Oh my gosh. I must have lost track of time. I'm sorry, honey. It's not that far. Why don't you just go ahead and walk home?
Huh? No, but I'm tired. I've been playing ball for 2 hours and I haven't eaten anything.
All right, you'll survive, okay? All right, listen. On my way home, I'll stop and get Chick-fil-A to make up for it, okay? All right, I gotta go, Jay. All right, I'll see you soon, about 5 o'clock.
No, wait, don't hang. After nails. 5:30? Just get some of the fridge, bro. 5:30. You're 30 minutes late.
Really? Oops. I guess I lost track of time.
Finally, man, I've been starving.
What are you doing?
Eating my food.
I bought that for me.
You said you were bringing me Chick-fil-A.
I did? I completely forgot. I'm sorry.
You know what? I'll just eat yours. No. Go from Chick-fil-A to this monstrosity. And you know how much I hate broccoli.
All right, if you don't want to eat it, you can make something yourself.
Where are you going? You gotta make it for me.
I mean, I would, but you know how to make PB&J and mac and cheese, and technically, you don't need my help.
Stop playing. I am being serious.
Well, I gotta go to the bathroom. You don't want me to pee in my pants, do you? Exactly.
That's messed up. If I starve to death, it'll be your fault. Better give me Chick-fil-A after my game tomorrow to make up for
Loco conche tu madre hasta cuando vaya a hacer algo productivo.
Cállate vieja culia, muérete dos. Estaba recontento porque había llegado el 18 tiki tiki ti, cuando iba saliendo de mi casa ya me estaban esperando estos pacos culiaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki tiki ti taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatatata, y me fui corriendo a comer asao y a chupar culo como condenado, y me topo a mi vecina culia y le puse un turazo por llorar, y cuando menos me lo esperaba llega un milico culiao entero jalao, me apunta con su M4 y yo le dije a él calmao, me dijo que estaba triste porque su polola era fancy, y le dije tenía que ser helao como el poto del kanji, y se la echó conmigo el ahueonao y como chupurraja le tiré una piedra por arriba.